fresh quarrel over Andrew Holness's house. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the JLP on when its election manifesto will be ready.
The Health Ministry issues a Zik V related cleanup call.
In the business day, gas prices reach a 5-year low.
And in the Health Report, part 2 of our special series on politicians and stress.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
You're asking this question: do you think the Office of the Political Ombudsman has been effective in reducing tension between the two major political parties?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.